Sa video natin ngayon mga kamaestro ay pag-usapan pa rin natin itong Service Recognition Incentive o SRI 2024. Ayan, so meron po tayong hatid na good news ngayon mga kamaestro kasi po ayon po sa isang post ng Philippine Information Agency, isa po sa mga legit na Facebook page at under po yan ng ating Philippine government. Nag-order na po si PBBM ng mas mataas na SRI 2024 para daw po sa mga kaguruan, para sa mga kamaestro natin sa DepEd. Ayan, so alamin po natin yung buong detalye niyan mga kamaestro. Ayan, so ito po yung post ng Philippine Information Agency. Isa po itong Facebook page. Ayan, nakalagay niyan, Philippine State Controlled Media. 13 minutes ago lang po yun na post. So ibig sabihin, ngayong umaga lang po yan na i-post. Sabi dyan, PBBM directs DBM DepEd to give higher SRI for teachers. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has directed the Department of Budget and Management, DBM, and the Department of Education, DepEd Philippines, to work together on providing a higher Service Recognition Incentive or SRI for public school teachers, recognizing the crucial role of teachers in molding the Filipino youth. The government aims to increase the SRI of an estimated 1,011,800 pesos to DepEd personnel from the current 18,000 to 20,000 pesos. Ito po yung buong detalye niyan. Ayan. So nakalagay dito mga kamaestro. Ayan. The SRI is a yearly financial incentive granted to government employees to recognize their commitment and dedication to quality and responsive public service. This December 2024, President Marcos Jr. has tasked the DBM and DepEd to explore budgetary measures to ensure the SRI increase for DepEd personnel can be implemented while remaining mindful of fiscal responsibilities. Education Secretary Sani Angara expressed his gratitude for the President's directive, calling it a moral booster for the nation's educators. This initiative underscores our shared goal of empowering teachers and reinforcing their critical role in shaping the future of Filipino learners, Angara said. Further announcements on the implementation and timeline for the increased SRI are expected as the DBM and DepEd finalize the necessary funding mechanisms. Ayan, so good news mga kamaestro, yan po yung kabuuan ng article po na ipinilabas po ng Philippine Information Agency. Official Facebook page po yan. So legit po, sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung legit ba itong information na ito mga kamaestro, ito po ay legit 100%. Ayan, so sure na po yan. Meron na po tayong SRI at hindi lang basta mayroong SRI, mas pinataas, mas pinalaking SRI po ang expected po nating matatanggap ngayong fiscal year 2024. Pero sabi niya sa article na binasa po natin, in terms of timeline, wala pa pong specific timeline kasi inaayos po yan ng DBM. And for us is the specific amount, wala pa rin pong specific amount pero yun, based naman po sa headline na nakita po natin, increased SRI, ibig sabihin mas malaking SRI ang expected po natin compared to the previous SRIs po na nagsimula po noong 2019. So sana po, good news po yan mga kamaestro. Ayan. So share nyo lang po itong video natin para na mas marami pa tayong mabigyan ng tamang information na mga kamaestro natin dyan na nag-aantay po ng latest update patungkol pa rin po dito sa ating SRI 2024. Ayan, kaya kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad dito, yung mga updates about sa SRI, ikaw yung unang makakaalam yan mga kamaestro. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos.
So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig.
Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
1, 2